What is going on, guys? One Purpose Fishing here. Today I'm out on the river, drum boat river fishing with cousin Cameron right there. Hopefully we're gonna catch something on this spot. We didn't catch anything last time because it was like 25-mile-per-hour winds, but I think we're gonna catch something today. Feeling pretty good. Got a couple hours to fish, so go big or go home. You know what I'm saying?
What's the lightest weight you've got?
Maybe a 1/16. Oh, frick, just missed one. Was that 4 days?
Yeah, it's the same. See all of them great. Every single one opens all the way up.
Oh, yeah, then.
And then the whole lake is just coming towards us.
Then we would be heading over to that ramp, and as soon as we got to that ramp, we would pull up, and I'm not even joking, we would jump out. I'd get my camera, I would take everything out of the boat, and I'd start carrying it up as quick as I could, then I'd run back down with my camera. Oh, it's two small ones. Bunch of brush underneath us. Some grass.
I am definitely going to have to go and get skin cancer cut off my body, probably here in about 20 years.
Why?
Because this week, I went...
Yeah, that's fish. Oh, that's a good fish.
Where's the net? Where's the net? Keep going, keep going.
Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Felt him hit the first time.
Oh, you crap, just got me all wet.
Gosh, freaking weight, man. There we go. There you go, that's first fish.
Was it on?
Yeah. Pretty fish. Now we're on them. Alright, so now we gotta keep our topic of discussion at skin cancer. I don't even have my scale. I wonder where my scale is. Probably somewhere in my car. But probably a pound. A little over a pound maybe. At least a pound though. Here you guys.
Really?
It's a fish. Hope we don't catch any giants. I mean, I hope we catch a giant. But I might have to string him up some way and keep him, and then put him in the water, and then come back for him later today after you take the boat back. Alright, watch out, watch out. Cameron, watch out.
Dude,
This whole branch is about to fall.
dude, what do I do? What do I do? What do you mean watch out?
You're fine, you're fine, you're fine.
Oh my God.
Now I'm gonna reverse this out, make sure no rods get pulled out. Like mine, right there. You got your rod?
Yep. Sorry, I had to like say that spider, it was bugging me.
Depression? Isn't that just a funny word for feeling bummed out?
White, you ignorant slut. All our ponds suck.
And then they started wondering if anybody was in there, so they shouted, "Hello?" But nobody responded. Yet they looked downstream and all they saw was a sunken boat.
That's something.
Oh my gosh. There we go, that was a good spot.
We have to get an Olympic rowing team.
There's no way that's a boat. Looks like a wing to a plane. Maybe it's Amelia Earhart's, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Somebody had a bad day. Here.
There we go. Oh, dirty.
There we go, that was perfect.
I mean, it wasn't as much as ASU, but I mean, it was a lot for literally nothing. I think it is. Is it really not true?
No, I say it is true. I feel like this tire stacked up there. It's weird. Oh, it has a huge paintball course.
We just didn't know about it. No one knew
Oh,
about
is
it.
there a fish? It's a fish!
Oh!
Big fish, big fish. It just fell in the water. What just fell in the water? Something fell in the water. Seriously? Dude, your pliers. Okay, obviously it's not anything important, but, well guys. Hold up. Pull up, amen now. Make it easier on you, buddy. Oh, it was your bait, I bet. Oh, true. That's what it was. It's probably 2.5. 2.5? I'm still rolling. There you go, guys. I do want my picture of this one, actually. If you could take it for me. Kind of. I don't really talk to her anymore. Ready? Say bye to her. Tell your buddies about us and how much you love it. Being pulled out of your habitat. Yep. Held by giants. And so majestic. See how deep it is. Yes, go down in between the two bridge things, because I bet that's probably the deepest one. Alright, this is full throttle, by the way. Alright guys, well I mean it was kind of a slow morning. I caught probably that 3 and that 1. Ooh, the lake's getting choppy. But we're heading out now. Cameron's gotta go to golf. So but what are you looking at?
I'm trying to see how high it comes up on the gates.
Oh well. Anyways guys, that's all we got for today's video.
Holy crap.
Holy crap. On One Purpose Fishing, remember, keep your mind right and your line tight, and thanks for watching.